Where would you be without them? Got your back to thinking things. Friends who know what you've been through. Friends who ride or die for you.
We're like a chain, everyone's a link. If we stick together, then we'll never go extinct. When times are hard and you're stretched to the brink, let's get together, tell me what you think. We can meet for coffee, we can meet for drinks. Organize our plan, get our thoughts in sync. Yeah, cause that's what we do. Tell me what you need, I'ma be there for you. If you need a hand, man, I'll be coming through. Cause you were there for me when I didn't have a clue. Reciprocity, that's the recipe. And that's all we got, bruh, between you and me. We made it through the struggle, climbed out of the rubble. After all that trouble, now my love for you is double. We brush off the dust and we laugh while we do it. Cause if you got a friend, you can always get through it. Yeah, where would you be without me? Got your back through thinking things. That's right.
Friends who know what you've been through. Friends who ride or die for you.
One good one is better than none. Two that are true beats a posse that fronts. Do you really want an entourage of sycophants? Rats on the ship getting ready to jump. Things get real clear when the ship's going down, son. True friends stick around, been down since day one. Fair weather types are around for the fun, but they're ghosting on cats. But when you run low on funds, you know who you are. The friends that are true.